Maidan Hawali bus stop. Other side, seaside, Gulf Road. But then this one new. Salim Abdallah Cultural Center maybe. And this one recreation. Too much now, too much new. All new. This one going city, going Hawali. And this one going Salmiya, Ulsuk, Maros. This one. You know, but in this one going Pahil. Now we go inside Maidan Hawali. Let's go sawa-sawa. Maidan Hawali, American International School. Madrasa American International School. Baden Sida Jao. Baden mungkin Ulsuk. This one bridge Ro Hawali. This one my American International School. But then my Arab. This one is Block 11. So me walking. But then see the walking me. But then Ro Titanic. Me wrong you comment me wrong wala right me. But then me lost. But then me ro inside police. Oh my goodness, problem. Wow, beautiful mosque. Color green mosque. Me first time see green mosque. Wow, Maidan Hawali mosque. Green color. Me I go see the mungkin go Titanic. But then this one Ulsuk. This one mungkin this one police station. Maybe me wrong maybe I wrong, you comment me. See, beautiful mosque. Wow. Then mosque also. Too much mosque. Wow. What mosque this one? This one Sahada mosque. But then have color. Oh yeah. Yala. Sawa-sawa ay let's go. Go bet. Maidan Hawali. Block 11 Salmiya. Maidan Hawali. Oh yeah. This one, the big building, this one too much famous, this one building, because a lot of party mojud. This one Hela Jao Aja me I this one news a lot of see the Jao too much party December this building. Aywa, Maidan Hawali go Salmiya Block 11 fire station. And then this building too much famous, this building. And then this one left side Yamin Walasar going to seaside. Oh yeah. Ambassador, hub ambassador here backside. Mungkin hub ambassador. Before hub ambassador mungkin hub wala no hub. Me check. I check. Pro Salmiya fire station. Aywa. Sabsa Mart. Aman Laundry. May ambassador, mapi ambassador. This one Titanic. Sabsa. Badin Titanic. Badin Sida Ulsuk. Sabsa Mart. Oh yeah, little walk. Aywa, Sabsa Maidan Hawali Sabsa. Okay. Alright. Titanic. Maidan Hawali area. Kulo, this one left side, Kulo Clinic, Al Raya Clinic, Buhamra Clinic, Elan's Clinic, Basma Clinic, Alamir Saloon, Lamir Saloon, Baden Jana Clinic. Yes. But then that one is Ola. This one all clinic. But then this one Go Sabsa. That one Sida Go Sabsa. Okay, Sabsa building. Yes. And then this one Portring. This one straight Sida Portring. Okay. And then right City. And then left Go Pahahil. Shop Sabsa. Maidan Hawali. Alright, Kalas Maidan.